Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Saudi binti Sulong. I am from Chemical Engineering Technology. I'll be presenting about my final year project. My title is Identification of HIBISCUS-ROSA-SINENSIS leaves, bioactive compounds extracted using supercritical carbon dioxide extraction method, and the potential of antioxidant properties of extract for hair treatment. So I am under supervision of Dr. Siti Aisyah Mansur. Throughout my presentation, I will be presenting about the introduction, basically the problem statement and objectives. Then I will go to the literature review, the methodology I've been using throughout my that I will be using throughout my final year project. Then the expected results. Lastly, I will be going through my some of my references and my Gantt chart. So the first one is introduction. So my project focus on the flavonoid compound, which is an antioxidant agent that could help to promote hair growth and reduce hair problems. So these flavonoid compounds contained in the HIBISCUS-ROSA-SINENSIS, it is more abundant in the leaves than the flowers. So to extract it, we use the application of non-hazardous extraction process, which is supercritical carbon dioxide extraction method. And with the leaf extracts we got from this extraction method, we will pre-formulate a natural ingredient-based shampoo or hair product, which is an alternative to avoid the use of synthetic shampoo by using the leaf extract. So the problem statement of my project is that hair loss has become a general problem amongst both women and men. So it almost some of the cause, one of the cause that is being focused in this project is the inability of the follicle to induce into anagen phase, which is the initial phase of hair growth. So as the flavonoid content is found more in the leaves than flowers, but most of the researchers has only give the quantity of the flavonoid compound found in the petals, not in the leaves. So in this project, we want to find out the flavonoid content in the leaves. So next is the extraction of flavonoid compounds using supercritical carbon dioxide extraction method is still limited nowadays because most of the research they used Hibiscus subdarifa, which is roselle, one of the family of Malvaceae, which is same as Hibiscus rosa-sinensis. They used supercritical carbon dioxide extraction. But for the leaves of Hibiscus rosa-sinensis, using this method is still late in the research. Then the stability of pre-formulated hair product using the leaf extract. This is used to ensure that the leaf extract that is extracted using supercritical carbon dioxide extraction could be used into a formulation or for hair product, which is safe to use than the synthetic shampoo. And then we go to the objectives of this project, which is to extract the Hibiscus rosa-sinensis leaf using supercritical carbon dioxide extraction. Next is to evaluate the flavonoid content and the antioxidant activities from the extracts. The third one is to pre-formulate a stable hair product using the Hibiscus rosa-sinensis leaf extracts. So this is the three objectives that I want to achieve during my project. we move on to the literature review. So this is some of the points that I have stated in my project, which is we start from the hair loss treatment using the HIBISCUS-ROSA-SINENSIS through the extraction of supercritical carbon dioxide extraction for antioxidant activity analysis and the pre-formulation of hair product. So the first one, hair loss treatment. So as we know, the permanent hair loss is caused by skin illness and the follicles failure to start the growth phase again, which is the one that we talk about, the anagen phase. So one of the treatment that is we have today is minoxidil. It is a synthetic drug that is used to cure hair loss, but the minoxidil they act as a potassium channel openers, which dilate the blood capillaries in the follicles. Then the follicles will have more intensity of growth for hair growth. But the use of minoxidil has side effects. Some of the research claim that minoxidil has effects on the hormonal changes in both women and men. Next is HIBISCUS-ROSA-SINENSIS. It is one of the species under the Malvaceae family that grows widely in tropical regions. Some of us call it as Chinese hibiscus, the red one. So the properties contained in the HIBISCUS-ROSA-SINENSIS are so many. This is some of it, which is anti-cancer, analgesic, cardioprotective, wound healing, antipyretic, anti-diabetic, anti-asthmatic, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antifungal, antibacterial activities, and hair growth promoting agents. So HIBISCUS-ROSA-SINENSIS has been traditionally used as an alternative natural remedy to cure many types of diseases. And in this project, we want to focus on the content of the flavonoids, phenolics, and anthocyanins, which is a type of antioxidant agent in the HIBISCUS-ROSA-SINENSIS. Next, we move to the supercritical carbon dioxide extraction. It is the extraction using the supercritical fluid that is a liquid-like solubility, but it has a gas-like diffusivity. It can dissolve a wide range of natural compounds. That's why we choose the supercritical carbon dioxide extraction. This supercritical carbon dioxide extraction also has a low critical temperature. Selectivity, inertness, cheap cost, non-toxicity, and capacity to extract thermally labile chemicals to avoid the nature of chemical compounds, bioactive compounds in natural ingredients. So this is why we use carbon dioxide as our fluid in this, as our supercritical fluid in this extraction. So as the supercritical carbon dioxide is a non-polar compound, so it actually used to most of non-polar to extract non-polar compound. But in order to extract polar compound, we used ethanol water solvent as a safe modifier, which they help to extract more polar compounds such as flavonoid, and it is safer and lesser chemicals, lesser hazardous chemicals. Next, we move to the antioxidant activity analysis. So in order to know identify the antioxidant in our extracts, from HIBISCUS-ROSA-SINENSIS leaves, we use 4 type of analysis, which is Total Flavonoid Content, Total Phenolic Content, DPPH free radical scavenging activity, and HPLC, High Performance Liquid Chromatography. So lastly, we go to the pre-formulation hair product and analysis, where we used the natural ingredients to produce a hair product, in this case a shampoo, a hair shampoo. So we used the leaves extract from HIBISCUS-ROSA-SINENSIS, coconut oil, that is for the nourishing hair, coco glucoside, it is a natural surfactant that also acts as a foaming agent. We used aloe vera gel, that act as a moisturizer to the hair and scalp. Xanthan gum, used for thickening for the formulation. The essential oil, used for perfume, for satisfaction for the consumer. And then we use water. Most of the formulation was water, because the water is the medium to combine all of the ingredients together into a product. So when we have the pre-formulated product, we will analyze the stability of the product itself using the pre-formulation analysis, which is the solubility, washability, pH, stability, and foaming test for the products. So this is the methodology to summarize in my project. So the first one, to achieve the objective of extracting the flavonoid compounds in HIBISCUS-ROSA-SINENSIS leaves using the supercritical carbon dioxide extraction. I'll be maintaining the temperature, but I will manipulate the pressure and the percent of co-solvent, which is ethanol and water. This is to enhance the leaf extracts containing flavonoid compounds. Next, to achieve the second objective, I would to achieve the second objective, to evaluate the flavonoid compound in the leaf extracts through TFC, TPC, DPPH, and HPLC. Last one, to achieve the objective 3, which is the third objective, to pre-formulate a hair product using the leaf extracts, and to analyze the stability through pH test, washability test, solubility test, stability test, and foaming test. So from my project, the expected result would be, I expect that the flavonoid compound extracted from the leaf of HIBISCUS-ROSA-SINENSIS through the supercritical carbon dioxide extraction method can act as antioxidants that can stimulate hair growth, thus reduce hair loss. So this is some of my major references. This is my Gantt chart from week 1 to week 14, and that's all from me. Thank you.